Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check which version of a Safari extension is installed on your Mac. This is useful when you're troubleshooting an issue, confirming you've updated to the latest version, or verifying the version before contacting support. Let's get started. Open your Safari web browser and right-click the lamp button in the toolbar. From the context menu, select Manage Extension. Safari settings will open to the Extensions tab. If you have multiple extensions installed, select the extension you want to learn more about from the list on the left. In this example, the Turn Off the Lights Safari extension is selected. To the right of the extension name, you'll see the currently installed extension version. You'll also find the name of the companion app available on the App Store. You can also check the version number from the Turn Off the Lights options page. Click the Settings button to open the options page. Next, click the Help tab. At the top of the page, you'll see the extension name and its current version number. You'll also find buttons to report an issue, view the changelog, and help translate the extension. Turn Off the Lights is a free and open-source Safari extension. It is transparent about the permissions it uses. At the bottom of the Help page, you'll also see a brief explanation of each permission and why it is required. That's how you can check which version of a Safari extension is installed on your Mac. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!